Hello friends, my name is Ritam Sarkar. Welcome to my channel. It is my first video and today I discuss about the tense. Tense, it is the very basic part of grammar. In every sentence it is very important. So if we seeing in the tense, then there are three parts of tense: present, past and future. And in present there are four parts like indefinite or simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Okay, and after I will go the past tense, and in past tense there are simple or indefinite past, or past or simple indefinite, and past perfect, past continuous, past perfect continuous. And in future it also be same like future indefinite, future perfect, future continuous, future perfect continuous. And if we see in the basic like the structure, then it will be the present. In the present, indefinite is do or does. Present perfect, it will be am is doing. Present continuous, it will be have has done. Present perfect continuous, it will be have has been doing. And after I will go past indefinite or past simple. And if I say it, and it will be did. Past continuous, was were doing. Past perfect, had done. Past perfect continuous, had been doing. So after I will go future, it will be same: will do, will be doing, will after will have done, and after will have been doing. It is the present continuous, future perfect continuous. And if I write it in a structure like a box, then it will be like that. You see it? Okay, you see it. Do or does. Do or does in Bengali means ami kori. If I wrote it in a sentence like I do, then the means the Bengali means will be ami kori, but here I don't write it, so I write only do or does, so the Bengali meaning kori. After present continuous, am is doing, korchi. Present perfect, have has done, korechi. Present perfect continuous, have has been doing, করছি. Past continuous, did, করেছিলাম. Past continuous, was were doing, করছিলাম. Past perfect, had done, করেছিলাম. Past perfect continuous, had been doing, করছিলাম. Okay. Future indefinite or simple, it will be will do, করব. Future continuous, will be doing, করতে থাকবো. Future perfect, will have done, করে থাকবো. Future perfect continuous, will have been doing, করতে থাকবো. But in the perfect continuous in a sentence, it will be not used, so I write it in a box. So not used. Okay. And the structure, it is the very important. Okay, to if I tell English, then it will be very helpful, so I write it and I see you. And if I example of it like I eat mango, আমি আম খাই. If I example, then like that, simple tense. And the formula will be subject plus V1 plus object The subject is I, V1, and the V1. What is the V1? V1 is a eat, ate, eat. So eat, the first from of eat will be the V1. So I, V1, eat, object mango. I eat mango. And after I will go simple past. Okay, it is the simple past. Simple past, subject plus V2 plus object. Subject I, V2. What is the V2? V2 is eat, ate, eat. The second form of eat is the ate. It is the V2 plus object mango. Okay. Simple future, subject, it is the formula, subject plus will plus V1 plus object. We'll learn what is the V1. It is same. I will eat, V1 eat, object mango. Okay, so I will eat mango. Understand? After continuous, it is the continuous tense. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. Present continuous, subject plus HV. The full form of HV is have verb. So it is the short form H point V plus verb. It is the first form. So the first form of verb is like do, but I example with eat, so it will be eat plus ing plus object. I am eating mango. Okay. Past continuous, subject, the formula, it is the formula, subject plus H point V means have verb plus V plus ing plus object. I was eating was the have verb. We eat plus ing, eating mango. Object mango. Future continuous, subject plus will be plus V plus ing plus object. Subject I will be, so I write it will be. We eat plus ing, so eating, object mango. I will be eating mango. So the another have verb is without it, am, is, are, and was, were, and have, as. It is the have verb. I see it in the next. I will go the perfect tense. Okay, present perfect. It is the present perfect. The formula, subject plus have verb plus V3 plus object. V3. What is the V3? V3. The V3 is the third form of verb. Like the third form of verb is do, did, done. Done is the third form of verb. So I example with eat. So eat, ate, eat. So eat, the third form. I have verb, have, eat, mango. I have eat mango. Mango is the object. Past perfect, subject plus have verb plus V3 plus object. Subject I, have verb had, V3 I tell it, same, eat mango object. After I will go future perfect, subject, it is the formula, subject plus will plus have plus V3 plus object. V3 I tell it, eat, the V3 will be eat. So subject I will plus have plus V3 eat plus object mango. I will have eat mango. Okay. After perfect continuous tense, number 1, present perfect continuous, subject plus have or has plus being plus V plus ing plus object. Subject. The subject will be I. Have or has plus been plus V. V is the first form of verb. Okay. So eat plus ing is equal to eating. And object mango. I have been eating mango. But if I example with Ram, Ram is a third person singular number, so then hairs will be has. Okay, but I write it I, so it will be have. After subject, past perfect continuous. Subject plus had plus been plus V plus ing plus object. Subject I, had, been, V verb, the first form of verbs. Eating, eat plus ing is equal to eating. So I write it eating, object mango. I had been eating mango. Third, it is the third. Future perfect continuous. Subject will plus have plus being plus V plus ing plus object. Subject. The subject is I. Will. I write it will have been eating. Verb. It is the first form of verb. So I eat plus ing is equal to eating mango. Mango is the object. Okay. So today I discussed the basic part, the affirmative sentence, and in the next video I will tell how to convert it in the negative. If you like my video, then please like, comment and share, and please subscribe and tap and press the tab button for the new videos notification. Okay, thank you.